tell me what cows produce? Do you know what cows produce? Yes, cows produce milk. How about pigs? What do they provide? What do they provide? What do pigs provide? Correct! Pigs provide bacon and pork. What about sheep? Do you know what sheep produce? Can you tell me? Yeah, exactly. Sheep provide wool. And finally, what do chickens produce? What do chickens produce? That's right, chickens provide eggs.